Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for video editing. To begin, navigate to the video editor from the Canva homepage. You can select from hundreds of pre-designed templates or start fresh with a blank canvas. Then, easily upload your own video clips, images, and audio files directly into your project. This simple first step gets you ready to create compelling visual stories in just a few moments. Once your media is uploaded, you can start editing with Canva's intuitive tools. Easily trim and split your video clips to remove unwanted sections or rearrange scenes for better flow. Add engaging text overlays and graphic elements to convey your message effectively. You can also adjust the playback speed of your clips, creating slow motion or fast-forward effects for dramatic impact. To truly make your video shine, explore Canva's enhancement features. Apply various filters and color corrections to give your footage a professional and consistent look. Browse the extensive audio library to find the perfect background music or sound effects, setting the right mood for your content. Seamlessly connect different scenes using a wide array of transitions, ensuring a polished and engaging viewing experience for your audience. After perfecting your video, it is time to finalize and share your masterpiece. Always preview your entire video to catch any last-minute adjustments before downloading. Canva allows you to download your finished project in high-quality formats, such as MP4, ensuring excellent playback. You can then easily share your creation directly to various social media platforms, reaching your audience with just a few clicks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.